Solve natin ng f of x equal to x over x squared minus 2. Ang range naman ay f of x equal to x over x squared minus 2 to x of y equal to x over x squared minus 2. And bindo natin y parenthesis x squared minus 1 parenthesis equal to x of x over x squared minus 2. And divide both sides by denominator and cancel equal to y x squared minus x minus y equal to 0. And yung ginamit nating formula ay b equal to x squared minus 2 or ac and a equal to y, b equal to negative 1 and c equal to negative y. b equal to parenthesis f parenthesis x squared ay f. d equal to open parenthesis f close parenthesis squared minus 4 open parenthesis y close parenthesis open parenthesis negative y and close parenthesis equal to 1 plus 4y squared and d equal to 1 plus 4x squared and open parenthesis negative infinity and positive infinity close parenthesis. At ang isa-solve naman natin ay ang domain denominator equal to x squared minus 1 equivalent to 0 to x squared minus 1 and x equal to plus and negative 1 open parenthesis negative infinity and negative 1 close parenthesis union open parenthesis negative 1 and positive 1 close parenthesis union and open parenthesis positive 1 and positive infinity close parenthesis.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from our report.